Hi friends, welcome my channel. Here you'll find exciting product videos, honest reviews, and the latest tech and gadget discoveries. Top 5 Best Product Reviews. Number 5. New Makita 3-inch cordless electric angle grinder with a powerful 19,500 revolutions per minute motor for fast and efficient cutting. Suitable for wood, tile, and plastic materials. Compact and lightweight for easy control in tight spaces. Durable design ensures reliable performance for DIY and professional work. Number 4. Cordless electric 3-inch angle grinder compatible with Makita 18V batteries. High-speed 19,500 revolutions per minute motor delivers powerful cutting performance. Ideal for wood, tile, and plastic materials. Compact, lightweight design for easy handling and precise work. Durable and efficient. Number 3. Makita Brushless PowerTool Combo Kit including electric impact hammer drill, 100mm angle grinder, and electric circular saw. Designed for strong performance and efficiency. Compatible with Makita batteries for cordless convenience. Ideal for drilling, cutting, and grinding tasks. Number 2. Makita 3-inch cordless angle grinder with 19,500 revolutions per minute high-speed motor for powerful cutting and grinding. Ideal for wood, tile, and plastic materials. Compact, lightweight design ensures easy handling and precision work. Compatible with Makita batteries. Durable and efficient for DIY. Number 1. Cordless 3-inch mini angle grinder compatible with Makita 18V/20V batteries. This electric cutoff tool is perfect for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. Compact and lightweight design for easy handling in tight spaces. Durable motor delivers strong performance. Battery not included. Visit the description below for the product link. Thank you for watching my informative video.